we're gonna do something a little different. At least for right now. Just upgraded to this newer work truck, so I gotta get everything switched over. So follow me for that. We're gonna be switching everything over to my new work truck from the old work truck. It makes me kind of sad because she's sitting up there getting close to 700,000, but she's just starting to get beat up a little bit. So let's do it.
Children waiting for the day they feel good. Happy birthday, happy birthday. And to feel the way that every child should.
Well, outside's done. Now for the inside. Oh man, this might have to be another video.